Hello everyone. I hope you are all fine. Today's story is very beautiful and very helpful. This story has 150 plus daily useful English sentences. These sentences are used in real life every day. Please listen carefully. Repeat the sentences with me. Practice them with your friends or family. Now let's start. My name is Alex. I came to a new country for a better life. Everything was new for me. The people were new. The language was new. The streets looked different. I felt excited and scared at the same time. I had one small bag with me. I missed my family very much. I took a deep breath. I said to myself, I can do this. The first night was very quiet. I stayed in a small room. The room was clean but empty. I sat on my bed and looked around. I felt lonely. I checked my phone again and again. No new messages were there. I thought about my home. I felt tears in my eyes. I told myself to stay strong. I slept with hope in my heart. The next morning, I woke up early. I felt nervous. I had to go outside. I had to talk to people. I did not know much English. I practiced some sentences in my mind. I looked in the mirror. I smiled a little. I said, "Good morning" to myself. I opened the door and stepped out. The streets were busy. People were walking fast. Cars were moving everywhere. I felt confused. I stopped at a shop. I wanted to buy water. I said, "Hello." The shopkeeper smiled. I said, "1 bottle of water, please." My voice was shaking. But he understood me. That small moment gave me courage. I felt happy. I felt proud of myself. I realized English does not need to be perfect. It needs to be clear. I walked more confidently. I watched people carefully. I listened to their words. I tried to learn new sentences. I repeated them silently. I felt hopeful again. I had to use public transport. I did not know which bus to take. I felt scared to ask. Then I said, "Just try." I asked a man, "Excuse me." He stopped and listened. I said, "Which bus goes downtown?" He explained slowly. I said, "Thank you so much." He smiled and said, "You're welcome." That day, I learned something important. People are helpful. We just need to ask. Fear makes things difficult. Trying makes things easy. I reached my destination safely. I felt more confident now. My steps were stronger. My heart felt lighter. I believed in myself more. This was a good day. In the evening, I felt tired. But I felt proud too. I cooked simple food. I ate alone. I thought about my journey. Life was not easy. But it was possible. I wrote new English sentences in a notebook. I read them again and again. Practice made me feel better. I slept peacefully that night. Days started passing slowly. Every day was a new lesson. Sometimes I made mistakes. Sometimes people corrected me. I felt embarrassed at times, but I did not stop. I kept speaking English. I kept listening carefully. I learned from my mistakes. Slowly, my fear became smaller. My confidence became bigger. One day, I went for a job interview. My hands were shaking. My heart was beating fast. I wore clean clothes. I practiced answers at home. I entered the office. I said, "Good morning." They smiled back at me. I spoke slowly and clearly. I did my best. I felt proud, no matter the result. After some days, I got a job. I could not believe it. I smiled a lot that day. I thanked God. I called my family. I said, "I got a job." They were very happy. Their happiness gave me strength. I felt less alone now. Life started feeling better. Hope became stronger. At work, everything was new again. New rules, new people, new responsibilities. I listened carefully. I asked questions when needed. I learned new words every day. My coworkers were kind. They helped me many times. I said thank you often. Slowly, I became comfortable. Living in a new country changed me. I became braver. I became more patient. I learned to trust myself. I learned to speak without fear. I accepted my mistakes. I improved step by step. Every small effort mattered. Every small success counted. I grew stronger inside. I smiled more often. Sometimes I still miss my home. I miss familiar faces. I miss my old life. But I also respect my new journey. This country taught me many lessons. It taught me independence. It taught me confidence. It taught me courage. I am thankful for this experience. I am thankful for growth. I am thankful for hope. Life in a new country is not easy, but it is worth it. Fear will come. Mistakes will happen. But growth will follow. Never stop trying. Never stop learning. Speak English without fear. Believe in yourself. Your journey matters. Your story is beautiful.